Yo, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you guys just watched my last video, you would know what I'm doing to the car today. I'm gonna do a oil change blindfolded. And funny thing is, I was on YouTube the other day and I noticed TJ did the same thing. Well, I'm gonna try to beat his time. I think he got 14 minutes and 40 seconds, something like that. So, I already have the car up on jack stands. I have the tools set up already because our garage is a mess and we're no way we're gonna find the tools in the toolbox. Look, imagine if you're over here trying to look for the 13 mil. No way. Blindfolded? No way. So, car's on jack stands. Everything's there. Let's get started. I'm gonna have some of the homies help me film. All right, guys, let's start. First, of course, the blindfold, and I'm gonna need somebody to start the timer.
Oh look, somebody.
Oh hey, what are you guys doing?
Phone?
There we go. Alright.
Let me make sure this is tight so it doesn't fall off.
Tight. Who's gonna start making some sushi?
Alright guys, I'm ready.
Ready?
Yep.
Set?
Go! Oh! First we gotta open the hood.
There you go.
Alright. See, I've been working
Just like we practiced, boo.
Yep. 240s, I don't know. I've been working on 240s for so long. I don't know how to open the hood.
Open
The hole is like... this is harder than I thought. Come on, guys, help me out, help me out.
Lower,
Lower.
lower, right there, lower. Lower, lower. Oh, right there. Right the second, right to right, to right, to right, right in there.
Lit!
Oh yeah, you're right. That's cheating. Edit it out.
Not cheating.
You should put cardboard on the floor so in case you miss the holes. Bill.
Oh, I lost my wrench. Okay. Where is the oil pan? Oh, this is harder than I thought. I hope this is it. I don't think this is it. It might be it. It has to be it. That's not it. Shit. Wait. Goes back more. Right here. Watch, I'm gonna spill oil all over the place.
Yeah.
No, righty tighty, lefty loosey. There you go. Got it. It's right here. Shit. It's stuck. Oh!
Oh,
I touched it.
oil.
Oh! Shit. There it is. Alright, I think it's going in. I'm touching it. It's going in. It's not in my face yet. Alright.
Nut in your face yet?
I guess I need to. Look, can somebody hand me a microfiber towel, please?
You gotta look first, blindfolded.
Well, it's blindfold oil change. I need to wipe my hands.
Here.
Wait. Oh, I think I just got oil on my hand.
No, yeah.
Alright, let me find the valve cover. Oh, sick. Thank you. We'll get this right here. It's an intake. Valve cover. Alright, I found the filter. Alright guys, I have too much oil in my hand. Cannot get this filter off. What's my time?
Oh, yeah.
Let me check. It is 3 minutes.
Oh fuck, dude, I got hella time.
No, you don't.
I got hella time, watch.
What was TJ's time?
I don't know, but something's dripping. There you go. When I put this, I was gonna leave it right here. I'll clean up the mess later. There you go. Oh, dude, I lost the nut. Fuck. Where's my microfiber towel? Alright guys, so I guess we just have to wait for the oil to drain. Meantime, we're gonna go find. Got this right here. Find the filter and the oil. Ah, shit.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Yeah, I found the oil. Here's it. Alright guys, do not forget to put some oil around the rims for some reason. I don't know. What people are telling me. Dude, how am I supposed to know if I put 4 quarts in?
Oh yeah. That's. You gotta, I think you gotta feel it.
Just feel it, right?
So right now you're 5.
5 minutes?
No, I said right now it's 5 quarts.
Yeah, look at that rub. Yeah, dude. Definitely really legit rubbing it like.
What's what?
Bro, how are you gonna pour it?
Do it on
It's
the
a
ground.
challenge.
What you do on the ground?
Dude, I'm just getting my whole engine hooked dirty right now.
What's he doing? Looking for the oil filter. I'm not. NANI? Put that shit down or what?
I did. I don't know why. I don't want to lose this. So I'm gonna put it in my pocket.
Oh man, that's gross. What are you looking for?
I'll find it.
Wait, what? Oh, I know what he's looking for. Oh.
Dude, I feel like I'm gonna hit in the face by something. Found it. I'll knock out some steps. Steps right here. And let's see if the oil is still draining.
You mean here if it's still draining?
Let's see. Nope, I can't hear shit. I don't feel anything.
Dude, this is gonna be challenging.
I don't feel anything. No party. Nope, nope, nope. Ah! I think I found the hole. No, that's not it. No, no. Here it is. Now I just need to find that nut. I think I dropped up. Here it is. Should I put it in my pocket? No, I'll just leave it here. Still dripping. Still dripping. Take a quick break. I'll let TJ do this in 14 minutes. Where am I at right now?
6 minutes. Oh, about to be 7 now.
Oh yes, good thing I put this in my pocket. Alright. Wipe this down real quick. This is a loose bolt. What is this? That's not normal. Oh, fucking hell, buddy. Ah! Hit my hand on the jack.
So what happened?
Oh, what? Hell for?
So she made a picture of it. Who's there when she did that? Like it's full on like.
Alright. Nope. Somebody take my filter.
Where'd you put it?
The sword, I put it right here.
In more.
I don't think.
Oh, this is not good.
I don't think I put it up this way up.
Wait, where'd you put it?
I don't know.
Check again. Check go down. You're almost there. Hot, 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 hot. Cold, cold, cold.
Hot.
Warmer.
Got it. What is this?
It's a battery.
Oh, this is bad. This is bad. I don't know where this is.
Cold. It was just where you're at, but I don't know where in there.
I thought this was gonna be easy. It's pretty easy.
Yeah, 1040.
Okay. You can always edit it.
There you go. I got the filter on. It's a lot harder for 240s because it's all the way down here. And all you need is hand tight, I think.
Your battery's gonna die.
Oh, fuck. Get another one. Alright guys, my battery's gonna die. I'm not gonna edit this. Andrew's gonna get a
Should I pause the time real quick?
Yeah, just pause the time. I'll just stand right here.
Boom, ready? Resume. Go.
Okay, what was I doing?
You.
Filter's back on, things plugged in. I guess now I gotta pour the oil in.
The hardest part.
Aha! Fuck, this is bad. I'm so scared. I'm so scared right now, guys. Oh! That's not right. Aha, I found it. Oh, this is not good, dude. This is not good.
Is it in the hole?
Huh? Is it?
Yeah, it is, but because it's not like clipping in.
Alright guys, just gotta man up and do it. If I spill oil. Am I getting it?
It's not coming out though. Wait, oh, there you go. Oh!
Am I good?
Show her there, yeah. Show her there. It's going. Oh! It's right there, it's right there. It's perfect. Oh, slow down. Okay, go. I don't want to get the house all to your right a little bit. No. Yeah. To your right a little bit. No, stop. Okay, you're dripping it. You're going off the thing a little bit. No. Okay. I can't get. It's hard enough to get you hit. Okay, try again. No. Cold, very cold. To the right more. Up a little bit. Like, if you just go straight down, you should be good. To the right more. Up more. Okay, you're chilling, just do like that. This is not cheating, guys. This is just, we don't want to lose deposit of the house.
I don't know how much I have left. I'm just gonna have to ask Andrew for that.
How much are you supposed to use?
I'm supposed to use 4, but let me guess. I got this much left.
Yeah, about there. So
yeah. See, I know my stuff. Oh.
to your right a little bit. Yeah, I think you're cool. Just keep it like that.
Oh! That was in this hole the whole time. Alright, let's see. I think this is the quartz side. I don't know. Can't be real. I have a little bit left, huh?
Yeah, tiny bit.
Like I should just go all 5 quartz.
Are you?
No. I don't even know what's pouring.
It is.
There you go. And that's how you do an oil change blindfolded, guys.
But you're not done yet, you gotta put the cap on.
You're right. Wash my hands a little. Oh, I got paint dirty.
Remember, you got the time limit, you gotta just do it. Better stop the time.
I feel like I just made a huge mess up. How bad is the mess? On a scale of 1 to 10.
It's actually not that bad.
Oh yeah, good thing I put the cap in my pocket. I was looking for it.
You know what's on? Stop the time.
All right, oil's changed.
Stop.
I guess you can stop the time.
Alright. You gotta look at it yourself. I'm blind yourself.
Let me see.
Your time is 15:49.
Damn it. TJ beat me. That's cool. Good thing I didn't make a mess though. Because that looks pretty legit to me. Like, I am impressed. I'm impressed. I guess the next thing, oh shit.
You spilled a little bit all over your shit, but.
Alright guys, so that's how you do an oil change blindfolded. Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. The oil change was a success. Doing it blindfolded is actually a lot easier and more fun than I expected. Try to do the blindfolded oil change challenge and let me see your time. Forget all the easy challenges out there like the ice cold bucket, whatever challenge. What challenges are out there?
I know there's the ice bucket challenge.
Ice bucket challenge. I know that was for charity though, but like the Kiki challenge. No guys, forget all that. Do something more challenging, you know what I mean? Like this. So post it up, whatever. Had a lot of fun today. But if you guys do enjoy the video, please like, comment, and subscribe. I'm actually gonna head over to Kevin's channel. Where is he at? There he is. If you guys don't know yet, he just started a YouTube channel and it's lit. So I'm gonna head over to his channel, go have fun over there, and I'll see you guys later tomorrow. Peace out.